everybody. So I just received some sock yarn from my friend's mom, and it's super thin yarn, and I didn't know what to do with it. So, let me show you how thin it is. This yarn right here, this is super duper 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 thin yarn. In fact, it is the smallest, size yarn that you can get. It's about the size of a crochet thread or just regular thread in general, or embroidery floss. You can make this sock yarn into worsted weight, and you can make a worsted weight into bulky yarn. So, I have made a luggage tag. I'm going to be filming a video on how to do this soon. But it is a luggage tag that I crocheted, and see, you put the luggage tag in there, and like the little loopy doopy thing, I don't know what it's called, but it's called something. And then I have, it's just purple yarn, nothing fancy. But yeah, it's tripled up, so it's really, it's much thicker than this. So to do this, all you need is some really thin yarn. So this is my tail, and all I'm going to do is make it into the shape of an S. So I'm going to take the other end. So like this is the tail, and then I'm making it like the shape of an S. Now I'm going to gather it all together, and I'm going to make my slip knot. So I've made my slip knot, and here's the tail. And as you can see, once you actually put it on the hook, which I will demonstrate right now. So you have it on the hook, and you need some more yarn to make it thicker. So all you do is you open this loop up, and you pull this yarn up and through, and you just keep on pulling it. And yeah, so that is all you do, and you just start to crochet with it. And this is about the size of worsted weight yarn, so you will get some really good yarn coming from this, some really good thick yarn coming from it. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!